Welcome to TAPOSHI Educational Tutorial. Today my topic is the plants. A plant is a living thing. Plants grow from seeds. The seeds are found in fruits and flowers. The seeds grow into seedlings. The seedlings grow into big plants, right? Now, there are many kinds of plants. Some are big and some are small. Big ones are called trees. They have strong stems. Smaller plants are called shrubs. Some small plants are called herbs. They have green and weak stem, right? Now, here the plants need food and water. They also need sunlight. A plant breathes air through the small holes in the leaves and stem. The plants have movement also. If you touch a mimosa plant, its leaves will close down. The sunflower closes after the sunset, right? Now, here we understand the plant stored food in their leaves. That means the plant stored the foods in their leaves, stems, or roots. Some plants store food in their fruits, some in seeds. These are useful for man and animals both. Thus, plants are very useful to mankind. Apart from giving food, they give us wood for fuel, medicine, and furniture. Paper is also made of wood. Every part of a plant is useful to the living world. Right, dear student?